Today we will analyze these two structures for different stiffness modifiers for column and beam. Initially, both structures are same because here we have used same section property, same loading values, same geometry, etc. So let me show you what I have considered here. Go to section property, frame section. Here I have taken a beam of section 12 inch by 18 inch. So go to modify / show property. Here you can see width 12 inch, depth 18 inch. Go to property modifiers. Here I have used moment of inertia about 2 axis 0.35 and moment of inertia about 3 axis 0.35 as per the code. Similarly, for column 15 by 15, here I have taken width 15 inch and depth 15 inch. Go to property modifiers. Here I have used 0.7 and 0.7 for inertia about 2 axis and 3 axis. Now just analyze the structure, but before that I will define load combination here. Add default load combo concrete frame design, convert to user readable. Okay. Now analyze the structure. Okay, now go to design, concrete frame design, select design combination. These two combinations will not be used in the design. These 18 combinations will be used. So go to design, concrete frame design, start design, check. Okay, what we can see here, if we go to the plan view, we can see for this structure total 4 beams are being failed in design check, and for this structure also 4 beams are being failed in the design check. Okay, because section property, stiffness modifiers, etc. are same for both the structure. Now I will change the stiffness modifiers for this structure. So unlock the model. Here go to define section property, then go to frame section. Here I will take a copy of this one. So go to add copy of property, beam 12 by 18, but property modifiers will be 1. So here go to property modifiers. Here I will use 1 and also I will use 1 here. Now from here select all stories, select all the beams. Okay, now go to assign frame section property B12 by 18 with property modifiers or stiffness modifiers as 1. Click on apply. Now we will analyze these two structure again. So go to analyze. Go to design, concrete frame design, start design, check. Now here you can see that all beams are being passed in the design check after changing the stiffness modifiers. Okay, but these 4 beams are still being failed in design check. So what we have to do if we need to make them pass? So unlock the model. Now go to define section property, frame section. Now make this one 12 by 21. Okay, so go to modifiers, make this one 12 by 21. Here also 12 by 21. Still here we are using 0.35 as per our code. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now select this beam. Okay, select this beam for all stories actually. Okay, now go to assign, go to frame section property 12 by 21. Okay, for this side, beam or structure has been passed already with 12 by 21 inch beam size. But for this side, we will try with 12 by 21, where we are following the code requirement. That means 0.35 for moment of inertia about 2 axis and 3 axis. That means for this side of structure. Okay, here you can see beam size is 12 by 21, and for this side beam size is 12 by 18. Now analyze the structure again. We can go to the 3D view, then go to design, concrete frame design, start design, check. Okay, now you can see that this structure which we have designed for 12 by 21 inch beam, now this is being passed with code requirement values. That means for 0.35 stiffness modifiers about 2 axis and 3 axis, but this beam has been passed with 12 by 18 inch section, where we didn't follow the code requirement. Now what is the reason of this tutorial? The reason of this tutorial is that sometimes we see that some designers are designing a structure with a smaller section property, where we can't make pass that same structure with a smaller section property, because we are following the code requirement. Okay, as a result they are doing economical result in the point view of client, and we are not being able to design this same structure economically as per the thought of our client. So finally the conclusion is that if someone designing a structure with smaller property or a smaller section property which you can't, don't be confused, because they are not following the code requirement or code data. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.